questions, do solemnly swear to confirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Well, having in our midst today very capable and talented young men that are going to add value to our system. And what is this system? We are charged to take responsibility for the affair of this state for a period of 4 years, for now. And within these 4 years, it is upon us to deliver the dividend of democracy to our dear people. And that is why they voted for us. We cannot do that alone. I can't do that alone. We need credible and competent men and women to support this cause. So I'm happy that for what we had before, we have added additional men to support us. Some of you might have been nominated from your local government after your deliberation and all those stuff. But here, you're not representing your local government. You're working for the state. The tax is to deliver to the state. Your loyalty is to the state. Because if you don't do that, when you leave, whether you like it or not, the records will be there. What did this man leave behind while he served as a commissioner of this dear state of ours? So I want to charge you, leave your house politics, leave your local issues, and focus on promoting the interests of our state. That is what is important. And that is the only way that theme that we all agreed on, consolidation and continuity, can be felt in our state.